E no dey happen to everybody at once, but one by one, e dey reach everybody. Who next? Small pikin suppose dey school, but life don push am enter road. Government talk say future bright, but whose future?
She dey breathe like say air no gree stay. Doctor never come. First thing dem talk, go pay before anything.
Light no dey, fuel don cost pass food. Man wan survive, but system no send am. Oya park, come down. Na normal stop. But fear don already enter body, because you no sabi how e go end. 4 years, 5 years, sometimes more. Degree full hand, but work no dey. Dreams just dey expire quietly. Rain fall small, whole place turn river. Dem go say natural disaster, but no be neglect cause am. Everyday price dey change. Garri no be poor man food again. Person wan chop, but na calculation first. All these stories no be film, na real life, and e dey happen every day. Today no be your turn, but tomorrow no dey promise. One by one, e dey reach everybody. Different stories, but na one Nigeria create all of them. So tell me, who next? If this story touch you, abeg no scroll pass. Share am, make more people see truth. Follow Pidgin Vibe, because this no be just story, na reality.